What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be discovering an amazing software. It's called Mouse Without Borders, and you can find it at mousewithoutborders.com. And so what is this tool? Basically, this tool allows you to have one mouse and one computer control several PCs, whether it's a laptop, whether it's a desktop. If you have all these PCs connected to the same network, you can use the same mouse and the same keyboard. And so this is an amazing tool I personally use myself, and you can see just how popular it is worldwide. It has over 10 million downloads worldwide. And so you can see the latest update is from 2025, and it's equally verified by Microsoft as well. So it's totally free, no ads, you don't have to worry about it, and it has a great user rating. And so to better explain what this tool does, you can be using several computers on your desk. You can have maybe 2 computers on your desk you're using, or 3 computers. And I'm not talking about you projecting your screens, right? That's not what I'm talking about. When you project your screen, it's basically the same computer that you're just projecting onto multiple screens. But you can have several PCs or several computers, whether it be desktops or laptops, and I mean, you have to just be going through one keyboard and the other, one mouse and the other. That can be really tiring. So with this software, you're able to control all the computers which are in front of you with the same mouse and the same keyboard. So it's a straightforward software. You go ahead and just download it, and you set it up on the different computers you have, and then it is seamless. The setup guide it really doesn't take you 10 seconds to get it set up. Once you have downloaded the software, that's pretty much it. You just choose which is the main computer, and the other ones are just going to connect to it. So one mouse, one keyboard, total control over every PC. So Mouse Without Borders is a free software KVM tool developed by Microsoft that lets you operate up to 4 Windows computers from a single mouse and keyboard. No extra hardware developed. So it's interesting to see that it was developed by Microsoft. I don't know how true that is, but I guess. So install on every PC, link with a security key, move your cursor across PCs, seamless cursor switching, clipboard sharing across PC, drag and drop file, encrypted security key pairing, part of Microsoft Power Toys, customizable keyboard shortcuts. So built for anyone who works with more than one PC. So software developers, office, hybrid workers, IT administrators, and so on. So how to download and set it up is pretty straightforward, and then you can control it. So I really like this software, and I definitely recommend it to everybody who has multiple PCs. It really works great. It's very easy to set up, and it works across every versions of Windows. I don't know how well, I don't know if it's a Mac version of it where you can control the PCs and Mac at the same time, but this one definitely works amazing. So definitely check it out at mousewithoutborders.com, and you can set it up very easily and start controlling all your PCs with just one mouse and one keyboard. So definitely check it out and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.